Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. The LINK price continues to consolidate above micro support, which goes down all the way to $9.21. Obviously, bear in mind, $9.50 was a key breakout point. Between $9.21 and $10.48, that's basically micro support. And obviously up there, we've got the resistance area. So it's consolidating between resistance at $11.80 and micro support at $9.20. It's a bit of a box, obviously, micro support. You can see how relevant that is because we had a reaction to the 38.2 fib level and a reaction to the 23.6 fib level. So these are reactions that are that just come from these fib levels, right? I mean, they're just sort of they're just the levels to watch in these consolidations, in these corrections. At the moment, it could be that LINK obviously is in a bullish 5-wave structure. So that the overall bear market low completed here in June. We had a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. The yellow box is the long-term support area for LINK between $5.88 and $2.98, all measured according to or with the help of fib levels. Long-term fib levels based on the larger structure. That's a possibility. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down. We could now be in a third wave. We're dealing here with an ending with a leading diagonal in this wave 1. Okay, a leading diagonal. The reason for that is that this move is clearly a 3-wave structure. Also, this year was a 3-wave structure. So there's nothing impulsive here. Also here, this wave was a 3-wave structure. So we deal with corrective structures. Therefore, it doesn't make it very clear if we're already in a really bullish, in bull mode, okay? And if we're heading, let's say, to all-time highs. However, current price action definitely suggests we need to consider it. What we know from experience, and that might guide some people the wrong way, or not, haven't experienced previous surges, and rallies in the crypto market. We know that oftentimes crypto rallies, they start from very, very messy structures. The thing is, when do you accept that it's something bullish or not? And that's the thing that is very difficult. So obviously all I can do is at the moment raise awareness and highlight we still need to be on high alert for a potential breakdown. Absolutely. But the multi-hour trend is up and therefore we focus on higher, indicating micro support levels and relevant support levels for trend continuation. When they break, we are back in bear mode short term, until the overall bear market is complete. But for now, we see across the market breakouts above relevant levels, and we see that downside structures oftentimes have been completed or nearly completed, which means, if one wave down is missing or so, they can always turn around early, but many have been completed. For example, one recent example is Gala, another one is DOT. Not necessarily the best long-term charts, but first of all, downside expectations of a more substantial correction, they have been completed. And then we obviously need to be on high alert for a potential reversal to the upside. If we then see Bitcoin break above 30K or 32K actually, and we see some movements on Saturday across the market, they all signals that we have to take very, very seriously. So even though this is a corrective structure, we have to assume this is something more bullish as long as support is holding. Current assumption would be that we are in wave 3, so basically circle wave 3 of wave 1. Wave 1 might reach around $18. That's not only a Fibonacci target, it's also structural resistance here from the previous high that was made in April 22. And it seems like we're currently in the third wave of that wave 1. The third wave is about to complete in my opinion, but we could still get a few more squiggles higher. Key resistance here short term is $11.80. That's a Fibonacci level as well. And you can see the price is respecting that. However, as long as we're holding micro support, a more direct move to the upside is possible. Micro support is $9.20 as I indicated. But again, bear in mind that $9.50 was a very important breakout point. Now you can also draw a small trend line here that will guide the price higher. It looks a little bit like, it could be a channel. We don't really have enough touch points for that, even though it's a valid channel. We've got 2, 3. Okay, we have 2, 3 touch points up there. Could also form an ascending triangle. Certainly looks like some kind of a breakout formation to the upside. If it breaks down here, then we will first of all test 1048, $9.76 and $9.20. And if that level breaks, I would assume we're already in circle wave 4. Only below $7.60 or $7.50, I will assume the bear market is still continuing. Yeah, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.